here is our question. The question is about continuity and differentiability. So we will go straight to differentiation. In the question, for a function, from the question we can find first fx. Fx means derivative of f with respect to x, considering y as a constant. This will be LT h tends to 0 f h comma 0 minus f 0 0 by h. This gives us LT h tends to 0, y is 0. See here, y is 0, and for y is 0 it is x. X means h, because at the place of x it is h. So h and f00 will be 0 by h. This comes out to be 1. Let us guess y. LT k tends to 0 f0 comma k f00 by h. This time y here you see k, y is not 0, so this time we will take this one. So this will be LT k tends to 0, at the place of x it is 0, so this will be 0 minus k cube sine 1 by k, and f00 is 0 by k. This comes out to be 0. For a function to be differentiable, this can be expressed as fhk minus f00 equals to hfx plus kfy minus plus h phi hk plus k psi hk. You know, this is a formula to check the differentiability of a function in two variables. Here these two are functions. Such function, if we tend hk tends to 0, then this function tends to 0 also. Similar same statement you have to consider for this function as well. Let us put the values. For fhk we write h minus k cube sine 1 by k. f00 is 0, you know, and h fx, you get fx equal to 1. So h and k fy, we got fy to be 0, so this will be 0 plus h phi hk plus k psi hk. Now this gets cancelled, this will be 0, so the function becomes k cube sine 1 by k equals to h phi h comma k plus k, and at the place of this we can write minus k square sine 1 by k. See, I have written this at the place of psi hk, and to get the equality we must have this to be 0. Then these two sides are equal, and we know that function 0 tends to 0 if we tend hk to 0. Similarly, this is also 0 if we tend hk to 0, then this tends to 0. So the conditions to be a differentiable functions are satisfied. So f is a differentiable function, so D is our correct option. Other options will be automatically incorrect because it is differentiable, so f is not continuous, it cannot be true. Here you B is f is continuous but not differentiable. but I have shown that this is a differentiable function, so B is also incorrect. Here you see del f del x exists, but del f by del y, here it will be del y does not exist. This is false because I have got del f by del y to be 0. So our correct option is D.